have resisted the idea that Ford should join alliances, because we have always said this. The minute you do that, then what is going to happen is we are going to lose on our history, we are going to lose on beliefs and philosophies, and therefore political parties are not going to be ideological, but we shall be sliding back to personal entities. For that reason we said, let us have this opportunity and talk to you people, talk to Kenya, to say this. In September last year, we killed many political parties. Very many political parties. Today, we are actually struggling to manage disappointed candidates who believed that they would fit in the alliances. They have not fitted in, and in the end, they have become disappointed participants in the democratic processes in this country.